15. Phrasal verbs for everyday life. Run out of. Meaning: to use all of something and not have any left. For example, we have run out of milk, we need to buy some more. We have run out of milk, we need to buy some more. Go out. Meaning: to leave one's home to socialize or have a meal. For example, let's go out for dinner tonight. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Take off. Meaning: to remove clothing or accessories. For example, he took off his shoes before entering the room. He took off his shoes before entering the room. Call back. Meaning: to telephone someone again. Examples: I will call back later. I will call back later. I will call you back in a few minutes. I will call you back in a few minutes. Hold on. Meaning: to tell someone to wait for a short time. For example, can you hold on for a moment? I will be right back. Can you hold on for a moment? I'll be right back. Put off. Meaning: to postpone or delay. For example, we had to put off the picnic until next week due to bad weather. We had to put off the picnic until next week due to bad weather. Come across. Meaning: to find or meet by chance. For example, I came across an old friend at the bookstore yesterday. I came across an old friend at the bookstore yesterday. Look up. Meaning: to search for information, usually in a dictionary, a reference book, etc. For example, if you don't know the meaning of a word, you can look it up in the dictionary. If you don't know the meaning of a word, you can look it up in the dictionary. Break down. Meaning: to stop working or functioning, such as a car or machine. For example, my car broke down on the way to work. My car broke down on the way to work. Look for. Meaning: to try to find something that you have lost. For example, he is looking for his key. He is looking for his key. Put on. Meaning: to wear. For example, it was cold, so I put on my jacket. It was cold, so I put on my jacket. Pick up. Meaning: to collect someone. For example, I will pick you up at the train station. I will pick you up at the train station. Turn on. Meaning: to activate or start a device or appliance. Examples: please turn on the lights, it's getting dark. Please turn on the lights, it's getting dark. Can you turn on the lights? Can you turn on the lights? Call off. Meaning: to cancel an event or plan. For example, they had to call off the picnic due to bad weather. They had to call off the picnic due to bad weather. Turn off. Meaning: to deactivate or stop a device or appliance. For example, please turn off the lights before going out. Please turn off the lights before going out. Fill in the blank. 1. Are you tonight?
Thank you for watching and listening. Click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.